Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can customize your navigation bar inside your Jira projects. So let us dive right into it. Alright guys, no matter if you're inside a project like a Kanban or a Scrum board, both project types will feature such a navigation bar here at the top, each one with a set of views. You may navigate through these, like for example, from a list view to a board view, timeline, all the work, backlog, and so on and so forth. But if I skip from one project to another, you will see that there are different types of views. That's because you can add, or you can customize this bar and add as many of these, and you can add different types of these views to your navigation bar. So to do that, guys, it is actually very simple. Click into this plus button, add to navigation, and select one of these supported views, like code or reports, shortcuts. So let me go with reports, click into add to navigation, and that is going to give you the opportunity to, for example, access the reports view and that way track the progress of your projects through a report, like for example, a burn up report or a sprint burn down chart. Well, sprints are basically used in a Scrum board. So if I head, for example, here to the report section inside that Scrum board, I will be given the opportunity to view that report here, for example, for all ongoing sprints within that Scrum board. So that's one option, guys. You can also add more of these depending on how many you haven't added to that navigation bar yet, and that way simply customize your project navigation bar to get more of these views. And that's how it works. It is actually very simple. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.